Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall games. There are two ways to do this. The first is to click the Steam icon in the top left corner, go to Settings, then in the Download section, click Steam Library Folders. You'll see the storage manager with all drives where Steam games are installed. Select each game you want to uninstall by clicking the switch, then click Uninstall. Another way is to right-click the game in your library, go to Manage, then Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again, and the game will be removed. Please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below.